Hi everyone. In the series 3 of medical microbiology MCQs, we are going to discuss from 41 to 60 questions. Let's begin. 41. Which condition is identified by Gill-Nielsen method? Options are syphilis, tuberculosis, smallpox, typhoid, and the answer is tuberculosis. The Gill-Nielsen staining method is also called as acid-fast staining method. 42. Causative agent of chicken pox. Options are A. Varicella zoster virus, variola virus, human herpes virus 3, all of the above, and E. Both A and C. The answer is going to be the E, both A and C. That means the causative agent of chicken pox is varicella zoster virus, human herpes virus 3. Whereas variola virus is the one which is a causative agent of smallpox. Okay. Then 43. Cancerous cells are killed by radiations because they are. Options are A. Dividing rapidly, B. Deprived of oxygen, C. Starved, D. Mutating fast. So obviously the answer is starved. 44. Period of maximum infectivity in mumps is during. Options are incubation period, onset of swelling, after swelling appears, prodromal periods. And the answer is onset of swelling. 45. Antibiotics are mostly extracted from which of the following organism? Options are A. Algae, B. Bacteria, C. Fungi, D. Plants. And the answer is going to be bacteria. Remember here, the bacteria as well as the fungi both are present in the soil, and these both are going to be involved in the production of antibiotics. But the question is mostly extracted they are asking. So obviously the answer is going to be the bacteria. 46. Which disease is diagnosed by sick test? Options are tuberculosis, diphtheria, typhoid, pertussis. And the answer is diphtheria. Which of the following is an example of gram-negative organism? Options are A. Staph aureus, Vibrio cholerae, Streptococcus pneumoniae, Listeria monocytogenes. And the answer is Vibrio cholerae, whereas the rest of the three are gram-positive bacteria. 48. Which of the following bacteria causes dental caries? Options are A. Helicobacter pylori, Lactobacillus, E. coli, and or E. coli Staphylococci albus. The answer is Lactobacilli. 49. Which toxin of Staphylococci is responsible for manifestation of poisoning? Options are A. Hemolysin, B. Enterotoxin, C. Leucocidin, D. Fibrinolysin. The option B is the right answer, enterotoxin. 50. In which disease signet ring is seen? Options are A. Malaria, B. Measles, C. Polio, D. Pneumonia. The answer is malaria. 51. The causative organism of rabies. Options are A. Rabidovirus, B. Poxvirus, C. Toga virus, D. Adenovirus. And the answer is Rhabdovirus. 52. The bacterium Clostridium botulinum that causes botulism is. Options are A. A facultative anaerobe, B. An obligate anaerobe, C. A facultative aerobe, D. An obligate aerobe. The answer is obligate anaerobe. Obligate means compulsory. Okay, which compulsory needs it, otherwise it will die. That's why this is going to be a obligate anaerobe. 53. Antiseptic surgery was discovered by. Options are Joseph Lister, Ernest Abbe, Pasteur, Bergenic. And the answer is Joseph Lister. 54. Kuru disease in humans is caused by. Options are A. Bacteria, B. Viroids, C. Prions, D. Mycoplasma. And the answer is prions. 55. Disease that affects many people at different countries is termed as. Options are A. Sporadic, B. Pandemic, C. Epidemic, D. Endemic. And the answer is obviously pandemic. 56. The group of disease carried by insects is. Options are A. Typhoid, jaundice, dysentery. B. Mumps, measles, smallpox. C. Scabies, ringworm, scarlet fever. D. Malaria, filaria, yellow fever. In rest of all the options, we are having a combination of bacteria, insect, all those things, fungi. But in the option D, if you see the malaria, filaria, and yellow fever, all are going to be carried only by the insect. So option D is the right answer. 57. Trypanosoma causes dash. Options are A. Dysentery, B. Sleeping sickness, C. Plague, D. Malaria. And the answer is sleeping sickness. This infected individuals experience a type of disorganized and fragmented for every 24 hours rhythm of the sleep-wake cycle, resulting in daytime sleep episodes and nighttime periods of wakefulness. So because of the disruption in the sleep cycle, it is going to be called as sleeping sickness. 58. Which of the following does not spread AIDS? Options are A. Having sex with unknown person, B. Kissing a classmate on lips, C. Transfusion infected blood, D. Taking unsterilized injection. So obviously B is the right answer. That is kissing a classmate on lips. 59. Which of the following is DNA virus or viruses? Options are A. Parvoviridae, B. Flaviviridae, C. Prions, D. Calciviridae. And the answer is Parvoviridae. 60. Which of the following possess capsule? Options are Streptococcus pneumoniae, Staphylococcus aureus, Neisseria gonorrhoeae, and D. Bacillus anthracis. So the first option is the right one. That is Streptococcus pneumoniae is the one which possesses the capsule around it. So that's all about the series 3. In the next series 4, we are going to discuss from 61 to 80th question. Thank you.